Hi, welcome back to another video of H&H Express model nscale trains. Today we're gonna start with the modeling of the back of the layout. So I will bring you up closer and explain what I will be doing. At least one thing, the turnout will be connected to my switching board. So that is the first thing what we're gonna do. So come up closer and I will show you what I'm going to do. So here we are at this section, and as mentioned, I'm gonna add a automatic switcher here to this turnout, and this is the automatic switcher. This automatic switcher has a short cable, as you can see here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a longer cable to it. So I'm gonna solder it and then connect it through my control board. So I will drill a hole over here, that is where the cable goes, and then drill it through the base plate so that I can move the cable underneath and then onto the control plate, which is over there. So let me solder this and I will be back. So I added the cable, I soldered it, so now I have a long cable to go to the control board. So let me put this one on its place. And let's see if it works. So this is manual, so it should work automatically. So now I can mark the position. That is where the cable should go. Okay, that's the hole. Okay, let me add the cable. Okay. Now let's connect it to the control board. So here we are at the control board. This upper section is all for the turnouts. So we have a turnout 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 6 and 7, 4 and 12. So 1 and 2, those are for the main track. Actually these all here, so 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Those are for the main track. Turnout 7 and 6 are the turnouts go to the upper deck. And turnouts 12 and 4, they go to the helix, which is behind us. This is the cable which we're gonna use. I pushed that through and we will attach it to turnout 6. So I have a standard cabling, which means that power is on the relay and the ground is here on this terminal. So we're going to put white in one of the terminals, and then we have green for this section and yellow for that one, which means it is either set to diverted or it is set to straight. So I already tinned the cables, so now we're gonna add them to the terminal blocks. So here a little bit closer on the terminal block for the turnouts to the upper deck. So as you can see, turnout number 7 is already wired up. So the ground, the common of the electronic switcher goes into this terminal block. Firmly add it. Then we have this turnout 6, the relays. Yellow goes into this slot over here. And green for my wiring goes in here. Okay, so that's all connected, and I will fire up JMRI, and we're going to look to the automatic switcher and JMRI itself. There we can see that the turnout is indeed switching. So we'll be back.
So here we are back at the computer, and we are talking about this area over here, which is turnout number 3, turnout number 8, turnout number 7, and turnout number 6. So here we also have the turnout table, in which you can see that turnout number 1 is closed, which means it uses the straight at the train station, but as mentioned, we concentrating on 3, 6, 7, and 8. So here you also have the live feed of the turnouts itself. If I'm gonna flip turnout number 3, it will automatically flip turnout number 8 as well. They are both connected. So let me throw that so you can see that. It throws it in the screen, and it also throws it here in this diagram. So let me throw that one back. So for turnout 6 and 7, they are not combined. I have not done that because there still can be a train coming here and a train waiting on the bridge to go into the main track. And if they go into the main track, it is not needed to have turnout number 6 flipped. Well, let's pause the video right here, because while editing this video, I noticed that there is a problem. If you're looking on the live feed, then the TO06 is set to straight. And if you're looking at the screen, the empty TO06 is set to diverted. So I made a mistake with the wiring. The yellow wire should go in the position of the green wire on the control board, and the green wire should go into the position of the yellow wire. So both relays are connected the incorrect way. So just so that you know, and you can also leave comments in the comment section below that you saw that, because it reports that it is thrown in the turnout table overview, but it's actually set to straight. So but let's continue with the video now, and just keep in mind that the status of the turnout should be the opposite than it's what is showing in the live stream. So let me test turnout number 7. You can see it flipped it, and it also flipped it on the diagram and also on the video. Let me throw number 6. You see that one works as well. So, and you also can hear it. Just listen to it. is a 7. And this is 3 and 8. So we see that the turnouts are working. So now we can continue in building up the rest. And that is for another video. So if you like these videos, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of these videos, please consider to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in a next video. Thank you and goodbye.